this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Sharefactory or your video clips on your PlayStation 4, and this is really easy to do. We will need an auxiliary cable, just like this, and if you want to include like the microphone audio, I'd suggest getting one with 3 black lines on the top. So, one just like this. Then plug it into your PlayStation 4 controller, and then the other end into your phone. So your phone or tablet, whatever device that you're recording from, will need a headphone jack. So I have this Motorola 5G stylus phone, and I can go to YouTube then on my phone. So I'm going to go to Google and then go to YouTube and then find a song I want to go ahead and record from. So you can just choose anything. I'm just going to go to one of my videos right here, and then I can play it. Now the audio is going to transfer from my phone over to my controller, which is going to think my phone is a headset. So we want to make sure this is set up now. So now we want to press the PlayStation button, then go up to settings right here. Then go on down to where it says devices. Then go to audio devices. Then go to input device and make sure it's headset connected to controller. If it's not, switch to it. Then right now I just have my audio output device selected to my TV. Then you can go to adjust microphone audio. And if there is any kind of sound playing through your phone now, it should be displaying under here. Just make sure the volume is turned up, and you can see it's playing, and you should be hearing it through your TV now if you're playing a song or a YouTube video. So I'm playing a video and it's being picked up in the background. You can increase the sound by moving this slider to the right. Now you can go back to your game, like Call of Duty, and then you can double press the recording button right here, and it's going to start recording a video clip of your song that's playing in the background, and then you can double press this to stop the recording. So that is how you can capture it with the sound. Then you can go back to the home screen here, and then you can go on over to your capture gallery in your library, and then you can view your clip. So we can go to applications, capture gallery, and you can view the clip that you were just playing. Now if you want to add this in Sharefactory, this is very easy to do. So you can go over a video clip, press options on it, and you can go to edit in Sharefactory. Otherwise you can just launch the application out. So I'm just going to do it this way. So once you have Sharefactory opened up, you want to add another track. So I have my clip loaded in here. I'm going to press X. Then I want to go to add track 2. Then press X to record. And then record audio. So it's going to give you a countdown timer, or you can just press record. Go to your phone, press play right now, and it's going to record the audio off your phone, and then all you have to do is press X to stop it whenever you want, and it's going to record that song. So press X to stop, then rewatch it, and you're going to hear your song on your video clips in here. So you can easily transfer it from your phone to your PlayStation 4. So just get this auxiliary cable. You might have one laying around for like some sort of audio device on your house. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.